Anyone who's ever been through it knows divorce is not fun, and posting kind of all your dirty laundry on the internet is something you don't want to do. Well, this morning we have some tips on what you should do. We're getting them from attorney Randy Kessler this morning. Good morning to you.
Morning.
Now, do you want to mention you also you are the founder of KSS Family Law here in Atlanta, and you've represented lots of big names, including T.I. and Terrell Owens and Andre Ricin. I'm sorry?
We sued them. But
oh, you sued them. Okay. But you are representing Tamika Foster, of course. She's been in the news recently, divorcing from Usher, of course, and you represent her, correct?
Right, and I can tell you that I'm representing her.
That's about all Randy can say this morning. First, I want to ask you, too, could you send out a letter to your clients basically saying, you know, social networking sites like Facebook, Twitter, MySpace, do not go on them if you're in the midst of a divorce?
I think the best advice is silence is golden. You know, nothing good comes from putting stuff out there on the internet. And it's not only what you put out there, your kids, your friends. I mean, stop your kids from twitting and you know, kids, they voice concern. You know, mommy did this, I'm going to go out on Twitter and I'm going to get her back. Well, you can't retract that. So, yeah, stay off of Twitter, Facebook, MySpace. There's not a lot of good that can come out of it if you're in the middle of a divorce.
Yeah, because, of course, emotions run very hot and people want to vent. So we do have a list of some things you should not do. I want to put that up on the screen for you right now. You say don't post pictures of you and maybe a new girlfriend or boyfriend on your page.
It sounds obvious, but people do that. Another thing is don't even list your status as single. A lot of people think, well, I'm almost divorced. I might as well say single so that people would be interested in me. A judge or jury might not like that if you're saying that you're single while you're still married.
Yeah, that could not look good. Also, too, you say don't post messages that are sexist, racist, or in any way poor taste. You might be insulting a future judge.
Right, and you may not even realize this. You may be joking about drinking, and you may have a judge who's very anti-alcohol or anti-dating or whatever it is. Just silence is the best policy.
Yeah, again, silence is golden. Also, don't write abusive, harassing, or nasty messages on, you know, your former spouse's or soon-to-be former spouse's page. Because, again, people want to vent. They're upset.
They are, and it will be used against you. Just think about everything you write as if it's going to be the first exhibit in the trial against you. And is that what you want the judge to have as his first impression of you?
Also, don't forget, just because you delete it doesn't mean it's gone forever, because they actually keep a log of those things, don't they?
You can get it. They're computer experts. Anything that you write is out there forever. Cyberspace is a very large place.
It certainly is. All right, Randy Kessler, thank you.